Hello guys, happy new year. This will be my first video for the year. Okay, so and in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your own top-up, recharge and bill payment website. I know that a lot of you might be or would really be interested in something like this. Some of you do sell airtime online, and this is an opportunity for you to get a platform where you can sell more than airtime. You can sell cable subscriptions, internet data bundles, and a lot more, and make your own money. Okay, so this platform covers everything that you need. Okay, so these are the services that you can sell on this platform: airtime, cable subscription, data bundles, internet subscriptions, um, power and tool subscription. So you can set this up and you don't need to do anything. All you have to do, once you get this script, you set up, then you now import services. Okay, so there are service providers that are already offering these services, so you just have to tap into their API and then you start to import their services, edit the prices, and you start marketing. So that is it. Now this is the admin dashboard. So once you get this script, this is exactly how it's going to be: the user statistics, service statistics, bill statistics, and every information that you will need. Now the first thing that you will need here is that once you get this script, once you install and set up, the first thing that you need to do is to start setting up these services. Okay, you might be wondering how to get started. Now the first thing is to go to method setup. Well, I will make mention of this. Before you be able to start in this service, you need to have any of these accounts: a Flutterwave account, block account, Tpaga, Reloadly. So you need to have any of the accounts. So once you have the account, like Flutterwave, you have a live Flutterwave account. So all you have to do is you go to your account, copy your public key, the secret key, and the encryption key. These are the three things that you will need. Then you now import services. So once you've gotten that, you come to this place, these three icons, you click, and this, you go to edit. As you can see, so once you are here, you now put your public key, secret key, encryption key, then you now save. You need to save. Okay, so once you save, then the next thing for you to do is to click this option, import services. You click it, then these are the list of services that Flutterwave, you can import from Flutterwave: airtime, data bundle, internet, power, cable, and to these things. So you can get any one that you are interested in, and which of the any of the services that you import will automatically be displayed. Like now, these services have already been imported, so that is why you are seeing bill, all this, you are seeing them at the front end. Okay, so when we install our own, which I'll be showing you, you are going to see that nothing will be here until the services are imported. Okay, so in order not to waste your time, because I would want to be showing you live, I want to be showing you live of how to do this, so it wouldn't look like I'm showing you something that has already been done. So I will go over to installing this. I'll go back to installing this. Now before you get started, you need a domain and a hosting before you be able to get install the script. Those are one of the major things that you will need: a domain and a hosting, and then the script. So if you check the comment section of this video, or you can also message me on WhatsApp if you want to get a reliable domain and hosting. So you can message me, or you check the comment section of this video. You are going to get the link to get a hosting. Okay, so, and also to get the script, very important. So once you've gotten this script and you've gotten your domain and your hosting, you need to log into your cPanel. Okay, this is how the cPanel looks like. That your cPanel should look like. Okay, so once you've logged in, there is a video I created on how to create a database user and a database. So if you don't know how to create a database, it's very simple. Once you log into your cPanel, you scroll down to databases. Okay, you scroll down to databases, then you follow choose this method, MySQL database wizard. You click on it. I don't want this video to be long. Then you give it a name. You can give it any name like demo. Then you click on next. You give it a name. You can give it a different name, but make sure that you be remembering the names you are giving it to. So the password demo, use something strong, and this, you repeat the password again. Then you click on create user. So let me use something demo. Okay, so that is it. So you now click on create user. So once you've done that, you see this option, all privileges. Make sure you choose this one, so automatically it selects it selects them all. Then you now go down and click on next step. That is it. You've created your database and your database user. So that's it. This is your database. This is the database we created, and this is the database user name that we created. So take note of that. So once you are done with this, the next thing for you to do is to go to, you scroll down to files, file manager. You click on file manager. Then you go to the domain you want to install this. Okay, this is the domain we'll be installing this is a subdomain. I'll be installing this in a subdomain. So once you are here, then you click on upload. Then you select the file where you saved it. So you select the file where you saved it, and it's going to upload. Once it is done uploading, you are going to get, while it's uploading, it will be green. So the progress bar will be blue, sorry. Once it is done uploading, it will turn green. So once you are done with that, you just come and reload. Then you should see something like this, exactly like this. Then you right click on it, then you extract. So once you are done extracting, now the next thing for you to do is to click on this option, SQL, this SQL folder. You click on it, then you click on it again, double click on it for it to download. Then you download it. So once you are done downloading it, okay, then you go back. You see this project, this is the main file. Okay, so you right click and extract it also. I'm going to delete these files, we don't need them. Delete. So then let's extract the main file. Okay, now we've extracted the main file. Now the next thing for us to do is to go to our cPanel. Then you go scroll down to databases, then click on phpMyAdmin. So then you locate the database that we created. This is the last database we created, but this is the one I'll be using. Okay, so you click on it, then you click on import. So I'm going to import the database that we installed, okay, that we downloaded, sorry, this is it. So once you've uploaded, you scroll down to import, then you import. That's all. Now once you're done with this, you go back to the file manager, then you go to these settings, click on it. Okay, you show hidden files. Okay, mine is already showing hidden files, but normally yours should be hidden. So you enable this, make sure this is enabled, then you click on save. This will show you the hidden file. Then you scroll down to this .env file. .env file. You right click on it. Then you click on edit. Edit. Now this is what we need. This is what we need to do. You need to be very careful here. So this is DB connection, MySQL, DB host, localhost. Now what you need to do is your database. The database we created, you go back to phpMyAdmin. This is it. You can copy it from here. Copy it from here. Then you go back and you paste it. Bill payment. Then the username, database username is the same thing I used, and you paste it. Then the password you created. Okay, so I'm going to put the password now. So once I'm done with the password, you click on save. Okay, so click on demo user, then save. So once you've saved, you go back to your domain and you reload it. You reload. As you can see, that is it. It has been set up. It's installed. Okay. So that is it. That is it. That's all. Now the next thing for us to do is to start setting it up. As you can see, there is no services listed here because we've not imported any service yet. So I'll be logging into my Flutterwave account, and before that I need to log into the admin backend /admin. Okay, admin login. So I'm going to log into the admin. So to log into the backend, you enter admin. This is the default login. You can change it once you log in. The username is admin, the password is admin, just like this. So once you log in, you can change your details here. You can change your password, you can change your username. But that is it. Now let me log into my Flutterwave account and get my public and secret key. Okay, so before then, let me close this. Okay. So I have put in my Flutterwave details and I'm going to save this. So it is saved. Now the next thing for me to do is to import services. So I'll import Airtime first. You see, then I'll click on this bulk add. Okay, you've seen. So let's go back to the home page, and okay, this is now our home page. Let's open our home page. Okay, it's not displaying yet. Okay, let me import data bundle. Okay, when import this, let me import internet. So this is how you do it. Once you put in your Flutterwave details, you start importing this. So then the next one is power. Cables. To okay, let's refresh this and see. They are not displaying yet. I don't know why, but they should. They should. Okay. So you can edit the prices here, the conversion rate. And edit. Okay, that is it. So okay, okay, the reason why it is not displaying is because we've not enabled it. So I just added, so we have to make it active. Okay, make it active, and now let's reload and you see them. Okay, see, so they are now enabled. So that is it. So these services are active and they are fully working. So the next thing for you to do is this is where you can see the service list here. You can edit. You have the option to edit. You can delete whichever one you don't want to. Um, that is it. So this is add bulk limit and charge. You can select a service like Airtime for Nigeria. Then you decide the percentage charge, the fixed charge, and whatever. So that's it. Now this is where you get all your bills history. Okay. Okay. So once you're done setting this up, you go to if you want to accept KYC from your users, then this is where you enable it. You can add more fields. You can decide what you would want to get from your users. Okay, so that's it, that option. Then this is the control panel. Where you set up the site name, the logo, the SEO name, and your email. This email is very important, so I'll be showing you how to do it. Okay, because you will need users to verify their emails once they register. So the email configuration, you click on email configuration. Okay, now this mail from it could be your site name, support at your sitename.com. Then the mail host, um if you are using Namecheap, all you have to do is you just copy your cPanel server name, copy this, something like this, then you paste it. That should be your mail host. Okay, then the port should be 465 for SSL. If you are using SSL, it should be 465. Then the username is your email address. It could be support at your sitename.com. Then the password. Now once you're done with that, you click on email notification, yes, email verification, on. So to be able to create your email, you go to your cPanel. If you don't know how to do that, I don't want this video to be long. You click on email account, then you click on create email, then choose the domain, then you can put info, whatever name that you want to use, then you put in the password. Once you're done with that, then you click on create. That's how you create your email. So once you're done, you set this up, then you can test the email to know if it is working or not. So if you get a success message, if you do everything correctly, you should be successful. So that is it. So you can then now set up your default templates, email templates, and so on. You can do those ones. So the next thing for you to do is to set up your payment gateways. Okay, now there are two payment methods: automatic payment and manual payment. Now the payment methods available, there are lots of them. We have PayPal, we have Mitran, Stripe, Skrill, Authorize, to check out. We have Binance Pay, that's crypto. We have a lot of them. CoinGate, Coinbase Commerce, Flutterwave. I think there should be Paystack too. There is Paystack. So you have a lot of payment gateways that anybody from any of the 4 countries that Flutterwave services are accepted can make payment with. Okay, so these are the automatic payment gateways. Now the manual payment gateway, this should be bank transfer. So if you want them to make a bank transfer, you set it up here. Just put in your bank details. That is it. Once you're done with that, you save. So these are the major things that you need to know. Then on your own, you can go through the options one after the other to customize it to your taste. So this is it. So if you need this script, check the comments section. You will see a link that will lead you to where you're going to get this script. And if you have any question, feel free to message me on WhatsApp. I hope this helps. Okay, I hope this helps. I will see you guys in the next video.